Hey guys, so I'm going to be explaining the cover pass. Now this pass is a version of the classic pass. I wouldn't say you really need to know the classic pass, but it'd be very good if you did. I'm just going to do a brief explanation of the classic pass first before I tell you how to do the cover pass. So what the classic pass is basically when a spectator chooses a card, 5 of spades, it's put in the middle, and then you get a big pinky break here like this, and I'm using my hand to cover the cards, so I'm basically doing this and sort of lifting this bottom pack up to push it down like that. I'll leave a tutorial in the description where I learned to do my classic pass. But basically what the cover pass is, it's a variation. So we have the 4 of hearts. Was it the 4 of hearts? Yeah, okay. 4 hearts. I catch a big pinky break here, and this time I'm using my finger to sort of strip the top card off just a little bit like that. So not too much. And then what I'm doing is, so I'm grabbing this bottom pack like this, and I'm basically sort of stripping the card but keeping the top card with my index finger, so it's passing down here like that. So then it's second from the top, and what you can do here is say, is this your card? And then they'll say no, say okay, I got it wrong, and then it'll be on top. Or you could just do something else, like do this and then shuffle the cards like that, keeping the card here. Any way you want. It's pretty simple once you get it down. It's just you need to be very it's very angle heavy, because if the classic pass is also angle heavy, but the cover pass is just makes it a little more invisible, so they can't see it as they would normally with the classic pass. So remember, pushing the card and then doing that, but we don't want to push it too far so it looks suspicious, but just enough so that the cards can pass like that. So that's it for the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and comment your suggestions, what tutorials you want us to make, and my brother and I will get back to you. So hope you enjoyed. See ya.